In this video, we will learn how we can add media to our image. So we can easily add an image which is provided by Adobe Express itself, or we can also upload our own image. Let's see how. Here is our image. Click media. To add an image, the option is already by default selected. The first one. You can search the photos from here. Okay. Or you can directly take these photos. I'll just give an example. I'll just search learn, press enter. Let's see what is visible. Practice is how you learn. Or I can take any image, for example. Here it is. Let's say this one, never stop learning. You can just take this and drag and drop here. Okay. If you want to remove it, just click on the delete button or right click and click on delete. If you want to send this backward, just click on send backwards. And you can see it is now backward. We have the front image here. Bring to front. I'll just click on the following and it is now backward. Okay. I'll just drag it. I'm just giving a simple example how to set it. You can see it is now backward because we selected the backward option. Okay. If you don't want to use it, right click and click delete. In this way you can easily add an image. So let's say I want to upload an image. I'll click on upload from device. I'll search for, I wanted the Python logo, Python programming language logo. Here it is. Added. Okay. I want a smaller one. So I'll just click here. Webinar on Python for data science. I'll just select all and just drag everything here. I'll just select all and drag. Here it is. I'm dragging. This looks fine now. Okay, in this way we added an image, external image. We can also do the setting for images which we saw in previous videos like this. So in this way guys, we can easily add media, add an image to our already created image in Adobe Photoshop. Thank you for watching the video.